Georgia never wrote repair and deduct into its landlord-tenant code. The landlord's duty to keep the premises in repair is real, and since the Safe at Home Act, a residential lease is read to include a promise that the home is fit to live in. But nothing in Georgia's code lets a tenant hire a contractor and dock the rent. What Georgia gives you instead comes from its courts. After you have given the landlord notice and a reasonable chance to act, you may make the repair and look to the landlord for reimbursement or hold the cost back as a set-off if the landlord sues you for the rent. That is a courtroom position, not a kitchen table one, and it rests entirely on having demanded the repair in writing first. Simply stopping payment is the trap. Rent does not abate in Georgia, so a tenant who withholds is in default and can be put out. So this page builds a repair demand letter, dated, specific, and written to preserve the set-off you may need later. The Georgia detail behind it is on the page. Fill it in on the page, press generate, and you get a clean, dated PDF you can print, sign, or email in about a minute. No account, no watermark, no charge. Give this a like if it saved you some time, subscribe for the other states and the other forms, and grab this one at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.